Now the next topic is method of allotting of resources or allocation of resources. So there are, very different way. Every country is having a different way to allot the resources. It depends on the development of our country. It depends on the availability of the resources. So we should understand this is a very important topic. These three topics are there. First is market mechanism, right? Then second is social system, and third is mixed economy. Means in which are, these are the three different type of system of economy, in which way how the world is working in economy. Yani all the business are done in this three way only. One is market system, second is socialist system, and third is a mixed economy. That what we are going to discuss today, right? Now method of allotting of resources. Every nation try to attain speedy economic development. We country, any country of the world, what they want, their country will be, richer and richer. They all have all the facilities, all the infrastructure. So they are working on a different system by making the best possible allocation of resources. Allotment of resources is mainly done by two methods. One is market mechanism and second is social system, right? Both the system are opposite to each other. They, one system, one market system is such system. Why they are known as opposite? Market and social. Reason, market is completely dependent on the profit basis. Okay, how we can increase the market, how we can increase the economy of a country, or how can we increase the production, how can we increase the, the needs of the people can be satisfied. So all these things are kept in the mind when market system will be done. And socialist system, first who will come into the category? People of the society. Okay, how people are beneficial, how we resources to be taken care of, right? Less and less resources can be used. So that is the reason in market system there is a, unlimited use of resources, and in social system there is a what we say, there is a limited use of resources, or you can say that in social system everyone try to limit it, make the limited use of resources. Now by mingling both system, many other methods have developed. Means when we use market system also, when we use the social system, we mix both. That is known as a mixed economy. जो India में है, India is running on a mixed economy only, right? So methods have developed. Every country accept one or the other method as per their development or as per their requirement. Following is the explanation of method of the allotment of resources. Now here what we are going to discuss, these are the, very three important topic. One is a market system, right? Second is a social system, and third is a mixed economy. So here in market system, what is a market system, that we are going to do understood. Then what are the factors of it, of market system. Then what are the, advantages of market system, what are the disadvantages of a market system, that what we are going to discuss. Then the third is social system. What is social system, what are the same, how, what are the objectives of social system. Then advantages and disadvantages. Same with mixed economy, right? Market system most probably used by USA, Japan. Social system is used by Russia, right? Mixed economy is used by most probably all the countries, right? Because only market system is not possible, or only social system is not possible. So now in next lecture we are going to, thoroughly will understand what is market, social system and mixed economy in our economic development.